Alright, what's up guys? Gribbz again. So I'm going to demonstrate in this video, like I said in the last one, doing just solely Tstep. I'm going to do my best to demonstrate everything, normal Tstep, like going to the right, going to the left. I'm going to demonstrate the front Tstep, back Tstep, and reverse Tstep, and then I'll try my best to I'm going to throw in some different angles in there with, like, say the front Tstep and like even the back Tstep. We'll maybe go over a couple things that I kind of meant to talk about, but that's what I'm going to do it now. So yeah, I'm going to play one kind of funky song, and then I'm going to play something like techno, because techno and trance, higher BPM stuff back in the day was that's what it was all about. So I'll show you something a little bit groovier and then something a little faster. So just bear with me, alright? Yeah, okay.
Welcome to this not unique by Blue 70. We aim to please your ears with this house goodness. Satisfaction is guaranteed. So
only Tsteps.
back with a pina colada and enjoy.
Front Tstep. Reverse front. Pushing back with the front. Going the other way. Opening the hips. Open your hips. Hitting all the angles. More tighter Tstep. There we go. So, that was the demo for the Tstep, the normal one, or just the Tstep, the original Melbourneshuffle. As you can see, I was going left, going right, just playing with it. Remember the clock. You can hit in any angle you want. Really open up your hips, like I was saying. Now I'm going to put on a techno track, and you'll see it change up a little bit differently. I'll be a little bit more tighter with it. When you have slower BPMs, you can kind of, you don't have to go that fast. You can take your time and think more. But you can train yourself to the faster BPMs. Let's see here. All right. Only Tsteps right now. We're building up, okay? Tstep, reverse, normal going the other way, or reverse the other way, normal this way, front T-step going back the other way. So you're reversing front and forwards, and front again, going the other way. Opening the hips, hitting the diagonals to open the hips. Using your arms for stability and balance. Going into line, back and forth. Front reverse, going to the side. Back reverse, going to the side. Other side. Front to side. So yeah. Okay, that's it. That was a really cool song, by the way. So yeah, you can see the difference a little bit. I got a little funkier. You know, I like having a like disco, kind of like funky, groovy feel. And then you can see with like the techno, that was more of like a techno always brings like an animal out of you, more like aggressive, more like serious. So, but yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed that little demo. Next video, we're gonna go over all the fundamentals first, and then I'm gonna be adding in like little bits and pieces to help you guys put everything all together. Because you can't just learn this overnight. I wish it could be that way, but you know, you don't go into the gym swole and huge. You gotta work for it, you know. So, baby steps. It just takes time for people that are watching this that are new. And yeah, that's it for now. So, I'll put the names of the artists below. So if any of you want to look them up, you can. So, I'll talk to you guys soon. Later.